This 2025 Winnebago View 24T is a Class C RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 25 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 2, carbon monoxide detector, oven, water heater, DVD player, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, refrigerator, slide-out, awning, external shower, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front living area, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, rear bath. This 2025 Winnebago View 24T is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.